Hey love, welcome and thanks for tapping in. It's your girl Brandy, the content queen, teaching you my content basics with a sensual twist for branding and business. And today we are going to learn how to add effects to text with a template. So if you're ready, then continue watching. So here we are inside my number one editing platform, Canva. However, there are a number of platforms out there. You just got to find the best one that works for you. However, the reason why I love Canva so much is because they're super user-friendly, very easy to navigate, and Canva also gives you a ton of access to images, videos, and other premium content, even with just the free plan. So once you have logged into your Canva dashboard, this is what you're going to see. And we are going to create a design, or we're going to use a template, and we're going to add effects to the text inside the template. Okay, so in order to start creating our design, we're going to come up here to the top of the right hand corner, and we're going to select the Create a Design button. Okay, so today we're just going to keep it nice and simple, and we're going to do a social media post, and then boom, we got social media right there. So we'll give her a chance to load. And then once your design or the layout for your design has populated, over here on your left-hand side, we already have a number of different templates to use for social media. However, we're going to use a template for a quote. So let's say you have a quote that you want to share on your social media that you want to use for your brand or your business. You're just going to come up here at the top of the search bar, and you're going to select or type in quote. And then right here, if you want to scroll and minimize or narrow down your search, you can scroll through here and it will give you different styles of quotes to choose from. So just to keep it nice and simple, I'm going to use this first one right here. And then let's go ahead and bring this up a little bit so we can see what we are doing. And then obviously, if you want to adjust the template, if you want to change the colors, you can. Right here, you can go ahead and put in your handle. But for right now, we're just going to focus on adding effects to the text already inside this template. So in order to do that, we're going to highlight the text box, and then we're going to come up here to the right hand side of our toolbar, and we're going to select the effects option. And then over here to our left hand side, we have a number of different styles of effects to choose from. So you can just go through here and see which one you like. So for shadow, you're going to get shadow, and then each different style of the effect may or may not have different kinds of adjustments within the style. However, if you want to leave it as it is, you can just leave it as it is. So that's what shadow looks like. And then if you want to select lift, give your text a little bit more of a lift. That's what lift will look like. And then if you want to adjust the intensity, you can take it up or take it down. Otherwise, just leave it the way that it was. And then hollow, that's what hollow will look like. Splice. And then for splice and echo and a couple of the other different styles of effects, if you want to change the background color, you can do so. And then that will create some more dimension to your effect. Okay. So echo, that's what echo look like. Let's see what echo looks like if we put red behind this. Oh, that's fun. I'm really feeling this teal or turquoise, or this is more of a like a mint color, I guess. Actually, no, I think mint is a little bit darker, but I'm really feeling this color. So, and then glitch, that's what glitch looks like. And then for glitch, you have two different colors to choose from. So you can choose this box, or you can choose this color box. And then obviously, if you want to come up here and adjust the color, you can do that. All right. Okay. So So let's move forward and go to neon. Now, neon is definitely something, depending on your background, that will obviously affect the effect of your text. But you definitely want to make sure that the intensity is to your liking, and you want to make sure that it's easy for your community to read. So you may need to go through the different colors to see which one looks the best. But then again, it all really depends on, what it is that you're trying to convey, the background color or the background itself. All of those things come into play. So let's change this back to black. There we go. And then background, this will highlight the background of the text. However, you can adjust the roundness of the background. And then you can also adjust the spread, how much it highlights the background of the text. And then you can even make the color, transparent. You can increase the transparency or minimize it. And then you can also change the background color. All right. And then once you are satisfied with the effect of your text, you can even select curve, and this will adjust the shape of your text. Now, this is really cool, especially if you have a brand or a business and you want to, have fun playing around with your logo, your business card, and then even especially like a social media post like this. However, right here, this is going to adjust the intensity of the curve. So if you just want it to be more of an arc, it will be an arc. If you want it to be a full circle, that's what it will look like. And then you can obviously adjust the placement of your text once you're satisfied. However, if you don't want to use a shape, you just select none and it will go back to the original placement. All right. And then once you're satisfied with your design, with the template itself, go ahead and take a look at it enlarged. And then once you're ready to use it, you're going to come up here to the top of the right-hand corner, select the share button, and then you're going to scroll down to download. And then Canva's always going to give you the best file type suggestion for your current design. However, if you want to change it, you're just going to select file type, and then you can choose which file type to use. All right, so we'll go with the best suggestion for today, and then once you're ready, you can go ahead and select download, and then your design is ready to go. So that is it for today's video. If this video has helped you at all, be sure to click the link below. Get started with Canva today so that you can go ahead and add the effects to your text for your next design. Thank you so much again for tapping in, and remember, if your content does not turn you on, you are doing it wrong. This is Brandy, and I'll see you in the next video.